Joining the Pro Installer Club was a no-brainer really. We were already doing the work, we're fitting lots of heaters. You join and you get rewards.
It's something for nothing that you can hopefully put to really good use for keeping staff happy and entertained.
My favourite piece of merchandise has to be Dimplex socks. They look great with sliders. You go onto the website, you click the products you want, you buy them and order them, and then they come. It's superb. As well as the rewards, we get a lot of support with training. A lot of our guys got the confidence, go and fit quantum products, and it all adds up to a good experience for the end user.
The Dimplex name is market leader, and the guys fitting them find them really easy to set up, and the backup you get from them, a good product.
The Pro Installer Club I would recommend to anybody, because if you're already doing the work, if you're already buying the heaters, already fitting them, it costs you nothing, but you get rewards. It's a great scheme.